Hi, hello everyone. Please let me know if my voice is audible to all of you. Hi, good evening everyone. Hi, hello. Hi, this is Shorudeep here. Please let me know if you can hear my voice. Hi. So how are you doing everybody? How was the week? How was the week? Good. Very dull market action, isn't it? Apart from day before yesterday, day before today, yesterday was a very okay. Chetan Kamliji is saying it was fantastic for him. Many are saying week was good for them. But overall, the market action has actually have become very frustrating, to be honest. If I look at the Nifty, so this is the thing that is going on from 2nd of June or 28th of May. Market has been here only, okay, within this 200 point range. To be honest, market has been here only of 11,500. So from the May to this, market is not going anywhere. Okay, if I look at the Bank Nifty, if you look at the Bollinger Band, it is very narrow right now, not showing any directional bias. Whether it will go up or down, anything cannot be predicted from this. Probably what may happen is that once market goes above 34,000, sorry, 15,760, 770, it may again aim this 15,900. Nothing will be happening for some time now. Bank Nifty, this is the Bank Nifty chart. The same thing since the 1 week more. 25th of May, market is here at 35,000 level, and it has been trading in 35,000 level for almost 1.5 months now. Okay, so bias is now little bit on the upside because RSI is staying above 50, but it is not going above 36,000. So we don't know what are there in the cards. Okay, so very frustrating. Okay, a lot of people have joined new first time in this session, so I will like to give you a brief the way the session is structured. This is a joint session taken first half an hour by me and the next half an hour by Vivek sir. Okay, so in the first half an hour, what we discuss is about the texture of the market, uh, about my understanding of the market. I discuss about a few of the stocks that I think that can be important for next week's movement, and few of the sectors that are looking good. Okay. Unfortunately, because of this dull moment today, there is not much sectoral view I can get from the market that I will show. But what we do is that I discuss my take on the market, and Vivek sir discusses his take on the market. This session is just half an hour each for of us, so this is a one-sided delivery. Like I share my viewpoint, Vivek sir shares his viewpoint, but there is very little scope of answering questions. So if a lot of you are putting questions into the comment box, please understand in this session we don't have time to discuss a lot of questions because there is not a lot of things that is, we can discuss right now because of the present market scenario. I may discuss take few of the questions, but overall this session of Friday is not a session where we actually discuss about the market. If you have questions, those who are in the TMP and in the Stockage Club, they can ask in respective groups, and we will take questions there, but not here. Now, as you can see, the Nifty and Bank Nifty, they totally don't show any momentum. Bollinger Band in both of them is narrow, showing a very narrow range, and both are horizontal. That also shows that there is no directional bias. Okay. Now, the day before yesterday, this fall happened, and and on Wednesday, actually, I warned few people that given the derivative setup is setting up, like there was a CNBC report. It was showing that 10 lakh people on the retailers are on the long side in stock futures, and FII is a 7,000 shares short in the FI. So there was no FII participation in the long side, and that's why market was about to fall, that I felt. And yesterday actually the fall happened in Bank Nifty and Nifty as anticipated. But again, it did not actually did many things, that it did not go below the range. So the range remains today also. This low was breached by 3 points and then it went up. So the market remains extremely range bound. On a broader time frame, I expect if there is no third wave kind of a scenario, market can go 17, 18,000 in the Nifty from the Elliott wave count that I have shown when the market actually had broken out from here. So this thing still remains in the purview that it can go from 17,000 to around 19,000 level in the up move, but presently it is very range bound. Okay, if I talk about the global market first and then come back to sectors. See, this is the global market. Let me take one by one. So in the global market also we see the same thing. See this 34,100. This is trading from April, even before the period of the consolidation started in our market. And because our market rose after what happened in our market is that this rise happens after the scare of COVID actually went away, because India was very badly hit in April and May. And once that situation started improving, we had a rally, and after that we are consolidating. If I look at Dow, it is going nowhere. Okay, here also it is horizontal. RSI is at 50, so nothing you can say. As long as above 35,200, you can say bullish, but one day bullish, next day bearish. It is almost in a range. This breakdown happened. Why this breakdown happened? Because of the tapering fear of the Fed. But as the Delta variant of COVID has actually spread into the Western world, so they expect that there can be lockdowns and all those things. And due to that, if the economic activity just goes down, then Fed cannot taper very soon. So that's why their market is very consolidating. If I look at this US government yield 1 year, so sorry, 10-year bond yield. So what, as expected, it was going down. It made a low of around 1.24 on that particular deal. You can see the low here, 1.25. Okay, and then it has risen a bit. Now it still remains bearish. So if why it is happening? Because there is scare of Delta variant, and people think that uh, interest rates, though Fed is expecting, cannot be raised in near term. And you can see the RSI has gone below 50. So the interest rates are likely to remain benign. That is the market expecting. Now look at the next important asset class, and this actually created a scare. And because it went up to almost 32 point, the high was 92.8545, and that's why our market fell yesterday. I go to the daily chart and I will be back to the see, because of this rise our market fell yesterday. Okay, because it was an elevated level, people were afraid if this level is breached. See, 92.8 and above that 93.3, 93.4 are very crucial levels. As long as it is staying below 92.8, there is not much dollar strength, and dollar may revisit this low of 89. And if that happens, market may become bullish. But right now it is staying in the upper end, and as long as it is not below 91.8, market is not fully convinced, and market is not able to go up. But if it goes below 91.8, you will see that dollar is weakening, and when dollar weakens, global equity market actually goes up. Why global equity market is consolidating for since the time of April and May? Because the dollar index has been going up. Equity market has not fallen. It has gone up, but equity market is waiting and watching that if this level of 92.8, 93.3 can be breached. See, market is just waiting here. because market knows that periodic pullbacks happen, and if it's again starts going below, we can see that Nifty, Bank Nifty eventually break out on the upside. Now, this is an important chart. Keep an watch daily. If it breaches below, keep an alert around 93. So I'm keeping an alert like greater than 93 here, and I'm putting an alert the DXY greater than 93. Then I will consider that there is cause of concern. So I have put it here. Now look at gold. Let us look at gold. Why gold is doing? I expected the rally to happen from here. It did not happen. It failed actually. It came back. Did not reach the support level 70, 30, 70, 40. But okay, again at this resistance level, I don't know. 1820 can be resistant, and above 1820, 1960 is possible. Okay. So 1820 is the pivot level. Below 1820, one can short expecting 1740, 1755, and above 1820, one can aim for 1960. This is the scenario in gold, and this is again the weekly chart. Okay, lackluster, not showing any direction. Everything is without direction. Okay, now this is important. See, zinc is again trying to move up on the upside. So you can understand that the metal rally, you can see right now metal stocks also. If I go to the Hindalco, trying to remain bullish. Hind Zinc, they are undergoing consolidation after this rapid rally, but on the upper end of the range only. Okay, Tata Steel. On the upper end of the range only. Let me put an alert around 1250. Now to delete. Yes, putting a new alert. See, I'm going to alert, then greater than 1255. I have put an alert, so if the stock goes above 1255 prior high, I will be notified. So metal stocks are a little bit trying to go up because you can see that the metal prices are also trying to go up. This is very important. See, crude oil, this is the monthly chart. Remember, I said that 73 to 70, 80 rather 80.5 is a very crucial zone. See, in 2010, a bottom was formed. In 2012, bottom was formed. In 2018, a top was formed, and now a top is trying to form. So we don't know if oil stays above 80, 81. I say that oil will most probably go to 100 and 120. If it stays below, it may then try to retrace to 64.75 based on how the delta thing actually plays out and how the OPEC actually decides. So keep an eye. If it breaches above 80, 81, it will generally be bad for Indian economy because India has to import 85% of its oil. So a tricky situation for India in this case. I'm telling you that until and unless this 81 is taken and it stays above 81, we cannot be very bullish. So if someone is trying to trade long, this is not the position to play long on a longer term basis also. So you can understand this is a resistance zone. But once it starts staying above 80, 81, very easily it can go to 100, 110, 120 kinds of level. So discussed about the global, all the global asset classes that we need to monitor. The most important thing is that dollar index possibly trying to go down, and in that case we may see a breakout in down. Now let me take the indices one by one. Okay, so I'm going to the weekly chart again. So you will watch that no indices is right now showing any kind of momentum. Okay, I'm removing this 5-day high low EMA for now. So weekly chart, Nifty Auto, See, Nifty auto weekly chart, you cannot say it is bearish or bullish. In the weekly chart, it is bullish, but yeah, it can fall a bit 1-2% and then try to bounce back. Nifty bank, right? No momentum. Nifty IT or FMCG before that. FMCG. I'm going alphabetical order. See, a little bit bullish, but no momentum. Staying within this candle only, small candle. Then Nifty IT, no momentum. A little bit uppish move there, but few stocks are falling, no momentum. Nifty metal, or before that media. Let us go alphabetically. So media comes. Actually, no momentum, sideways movement happening. Nifty metal, sideways. Nifty pharma, on the bullish side, but within this range only. One I missed, that is Nifty energy, which is subdued because of the high weightage of Reliance. Nifty realty is last remaining. This looks probably a bit bullish, but still not broken out. So cannot really give you about anything that can work out. Discuss many stocks, none of them actually basically rallied. Maybe CDSL, CAMS, few of them rallied, but not all of them. Next week also, I really don't know that what will happen to the market due to this extreme range boundedness. So for next week, I discuss only three stocks, that is Bajaj Finance. And today was maybe the first day in many days when I did not give any trade to the TMT because I don't know what is going to happen. Okay, I'm going back to the daily chart. See, possibly this level is a trend line support. So we can buy here. This is Bajaj Finance, and probably Bajaj Finance can again retest, go above 3-4%. CDSL looking bullish, if goes above previous high, can go higher. Then it is CAMS, computer age management system, again near support, can bounce the way the stocks are playing. Otherwise, really speaking, there is no momentum out of the small cap stocks. If I go to the overall Nifty frame, you can see this week, for this week only, from 5th you see only realty sector rallied because of this Shobha, though did not cross the prior highs. Shobha, DLF, this kind of stocks rallied. Else everything is in 1% range. Okay, the next is Nifty small cap, mid cap, Nifty metal a bit, but most are within 1% up or down range. So it means that there is no momentum, no direction that we can find from this market. Okay, small caps are doing good. Every day small caps are going up, but there is really no sense of direction. So what happens in this case? Often we play with the kind of butterflies. This has given to the TMP students many a times good profit. So this is the butterfly that I got them created, close 300 rupees profit. So even if sorry, you can see the margin is 36,000, but and even if it goes closes within 35,600 to I would say 35,100 range, probably that we get a good profit on a 36,000 margin only. So it looks to me a decent trade. I normally don't share the option trades of club into this session because but today we don't have any session anything to discuss about any stocks, so that's why I am just showing it because so you can see. So this can be formed. I think Monday you won't get obviously the same price. We formed it at this premium. We will see at what price you get, but this can be. And similarly on the Nifty side, if you go and try to form a butterfly like this, I'm showing you a low risk butterfly. Okay, I'm going to the options 15th May July options. Because the market is range bound, okay, 15,650 call, buy one lot, uh, 15,850 call, sorry, 15,850, 800 call. If you sell two lots and buy 15,950 call, one lot. So you can see this is again 2,700 stop loss and 8,400 possible. So possibly there is good chance of gaining profit if as generally happens that every time it expires in the 15,700, so there is a good chance of profit. Who can form this butterfly in this range bound market? Otherwise on the momentum side cannot discuss many stocks. Market has a really see market have spent this kind of if I go to the Nifty chart, the kind of situation you are having, it is not that always these situations are there, but at times like uh, last year July to you can see August also, there was a very small range of 500 point range July to August. So at times market have this kind of range in the past also. Fifth from 25th October to Jan. So October, November, December, January, 4 months we had this kind of. So these things used to happen at times, okay. But right now, one of those phases that goes away, that happens in the past also for 2 3 months, market goes nowhere and we are stuck in a very small range. That is playing. So intraday short straddle that Chetan sir teaches is a good strategy in this kind of environment and this bullish or bearish butterfly. So if market goes to uh, 14,850 kind of sorry 15,850, then you have to form a bearish butterfly, the put butterfly. So with that way you can play this market. Otherwise, I don't know how you could be playing this market. Yeah, so because there are 7 8 minutes left and I have nothing to speak like other weeks I have, so I will just take few questions from here. So put your, I know many have asked many questions. It is very difficult to scroll up. So I will take questions which are right now. Short straddle is hitting stop loss both sides many days now. So sir, overall, if you see in the month, they are generally overall over the month they are generally in profit. Obviously, they will hit stop loss, but if you consider only the amount of margin they are requiring and the kind of profit they are still good in this kind of market. When should you put from put butterfly? Arvind Sampatji is asking. Arvindji, you should create put butterfly when Mac Nifty goes above 35,600 and Nifty goes above 15,850. And when call butterfly when market has come to this level as we created today. Any impact of China rate cut today? Market did not rally. The global market a little bit rallied. I don't know. These are fundamental questions which is very difficult for to answer for a technical analyst. View on USD INR. Rahul Kohli. USD INR. I think USD. Given my view that dollar index should weaken, so I expect from here USD INR to fall actually. This is a level you can see past Many a times top were formed in these levels. So yeah, uh, in the month of April, it went up, but many a times you can see these are good resistance levels. So possibly, if dollar index falls, so we can have the rupee strengthening, and possibly if it goes below 74.20, it may go on the downside only. That is my opinion right now. Okay. So there is a question: is it better not to trade cash swing in the market as most breakouts are failing? Yes, that's why I did not give any trade to TMP today. I told you, because in this market it is very difficult. Market is not moving. Only short straddle is working. At what point you will turn bearish? I will turn bearish if dollar index stays above, sustains above 93.4, or I will see that Nifty sustaining below 15,300. Until then, I'm pretty not if not bullish, not bearish at least. Bajaj Finserv and Tata Steel today move. Does it give a trade? I don't know if there will be a follow-up move, Arvind Sampatji, because in most days follow-up moves are not happening. Like yesterday, I gave IGL. I can show you in the TMP. I gave IGL yesterday. Only one stock I gave yesterday. Normally, I used to give two, three stocks, four, five stocks. But given the market, I only gave IGL. See, this kind of breakout happened, but today they can pull back. So nowadays there is no momentum in the market. So I don't know if Bajaj Finserv that has done good can be traded next week. Okay, really not sure. Sir, is option chain data of Bank Nifty shows any trend? No, nothing is shown from the option chain data because it is completely range bound. High OI in both sides are always there when there is a Ronaji. I'm sorry. High OI are always there when there is range boundedness because people know that there won't be. This is complacency also because the VIX is very low. Yesterday only VIX went above 13, but until that VIX was low. So at 12 VIX, if people are selling options, so someday some black swan event happens, they will be badly penalized. So here the question from Ramakrishna Vegelaji is that, sir, metals are moving good, but NMDC is not performing. Any reason for that? That I don't know, sir. I can look at the chart. Any reason? In general, I don't like to look at charts of PSUs. I don't know why it is happening. Let me look at the Vedanta chart also. I have got a little bit of cold today, so this is the kind of wedge this is forming, or you can say there was a triangle which was broken and it can move downside. Let me look at Vedanta. No, Vedanta is quite good. So I don't know why NMDC is moving like this. Sorry. That gives session for alert in TradingView and other important that. No, I showed you how to put an alert. It is very easy. You go to alert and then you put the sorry, I'm got a little bit cold. You put the level where you want to greater than, entering a channel, less than. You put that and put the level. Your alert is fixed by that way. Again, sorry for sneezing. It is going on. Very sorry. Okay. Can you say market is in overbought zone? No, market is not in the overbought zone. Your view on Muthoot Finance. Your view on Nifty calls 16,000. I am holding this from 8 July. Market, I don't have any view, directional view. Market can go towards 15,900. So in that case, it may increase if market goes there. So last two queries, one is of MGL and one is Muthoot Finance. Let me get them. Mahanagar Gas. Well, this is near support level, can rise from here, I would say. So very important level is 11,010. And last one is Muthoot Finance. at the edge of breakout, I can say, but market is lacking momentum. See, 5 days in the same vein. So we'll hand over to Vivek sir right now. Thank you. Thanks all of you. Thanks all of you. Vivek sir will take it. Take
Thank
over
you.
from here.
Thank you. Good evening. Thank you, Shoradi, for
Good
your fantastic presentation. Fantastic here. I really love attending your session and the kind of market view you create, the stocks you identify. If people have been following you, seeing you, I'm sure that they will vouch for it that you are truly a great analyst and stock picker. Good. I'm very happy to be part of you. Uh,
Thank
let's
you, sir.
let's uh, let's get into my discussion. So I hope all my friends, Stock Age Club members, TMP members, all of you are happy and hardy. Thank you so much for supporting us in this critical and lovely decision which we had to take when we diluted 10% and just under 10% stake to Kotak. Uh, I believe that an organization like Kotak, which is so much focused on knowledge, will add so much value to both these working stockage and inland markets. And very soon we will try to offer you things which will be value added for all of you. So keep supporting us, keep talking about us, and keep sending us good wishes because it's your good wishes which is helping us to go to the next level. A lot of people wanted me to become a broker, and I was always hesitant to become a broker. Now I'm sure that you got that confirmation that I have no intention of becoming a broker because it's a very different ball game. I'm happy to be a knowledge provider, and if I can create wealth for all of you in this process of knowledge dissemination, I think I'll be very lucky to have done this work for all of you. Okay, so let's talk about the market. Okay, let me see if. Okay, so let me just see if. So there are few questions which I will take after 15 minutes. I will take few questions. Milind bhai, quickly answering your question. Stockage में 2 hourly chart अभी नहीं है, but we will try to work on things now which will make real-time charting, etc. possible in stockage. Thank God we have some. Right now the money is not yet in. It's just an announcement which has been done. But once we have the money, we will be able to use that money to build more real-time utilities for all of you so that you don't have to go into other platforms and you can do all the things in our platform. Okay. Yeah, we will, Arvind bhai, yes, we will definitely work on integrating TradingView with Stockage so that you in one particular platform you have all the solutions. Purushottam bhai is saying that will you offer stake to club TMP members as well in future? Uh, See, very frankly, I was thinking about doing that. But the SEBI regulations, if we take many individual shareholders, more than 50, I have to become a limited company, and there are a lot of formalities, a lot of things. Uh, Immediately, I'm just trying to, figure out how do we grow fast with the capital which will be given by Kotak so that we can provide you all the value addition which you want. But in terms of number of share issuing shares to our members, it's a good idea. Let me just internally have a thought on this and revert back. Immediately कोई plan नहीं है, अभी तो काम करना है बस. आशीष भाई पूछ रहे जिंदल स्टील में पैसा अटका हुआ है. आशीष भाई जिंदल, यू टॉकिंग अबाउट जिंदल स्टील स्टेनलेस या एक्चुअली मुझे जब कोई क्वेश्चन पूछता है ना तो मेरा मन करता है उसका आंसर दे दूं मैं बिफोर आई गेट इनटू माय डिस्कशन. तो आशीष भाई का पैसा अटका हुआ है तो मेरा मन कर रहा है उनको क्वेश्चन का जवाब दे दूं. आशीष भाई जिंदल जिंदल स्टील एंड पावर में है क्या? ओके, जस्ट अ मिनट. Please allow me to answer this question because inka he has invested and his lot of money is stuck here. So आशीष भाई स्टॉक जो है वो अंडर परफॉर्मर बन गया है. तो बहुत हड़बड़ी में बड़ा तेजी नहीं दिख रहा है इसके अंदर में, और मूविंग एवरेज के भी नीचे ट्रेड करने लग गया है। तो मैं आपको एक सजेशन देता हूं आशीष भाई कि 50% बुक कर लीजिए, या 50% बुक करने से क्या मेंटल पीस आ जाएगा। सपोज ऊपर चला गया तो ठीक है, यू स्टिल हैव दैट 50%, और अगर नीचे चला गया तो एटलीस्ट यू विल हैव दैट कॉन्फिडेंस कि इवन इफ इट गोज डाउन इट्स फाइन, कि बाकी 50% फिर नीचे में स्क्वायर अप कर लेना, बिकॉज इट्स अ वीक स्टॉक एंड यू शुड नॉट होल्ड ऑन टू योर एंटायर पोर्टफोलियो बिकॉज इट्स अ वीक स्टॉक। हाँ, so Ashish ji, I can understand that your money is stuck here, but I feel bad for you, but आपको थोड़ा देखना पड़ेगा कि ये वीक स्टॉक हो गया है। तो अगर आप 50% बुक कर लेंगे तो पीस ऑफ माइंड में रहेंगे, नहीं तो आइडियली इट शुड रिवर्ट बैक, बिकॉज स्टील उतना खराब नहीं लग रहा है, बट द फैक्ट रिमेन्स दैट इट्स अ वीक स्टॉक। सो मॉडल मेरा ये बोलता है कि वीक है तो एक बार 50% तो बुक कर लेना चाहिए। या ओके, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट गणेश जी। तो मैं क्वेश्चन पहले हटा रहा हूँ, सॉरी अबाउट इट, बिकॉज आई शुड टॉक अबाउट व्हाट आई एम हियर फॉर। लेट्स टॉक अबाउट गणेश जी। सो pretty much there, I mean, जो डॉलर की बात होती है कि डॉलर ऊपर जाता है फिर नीचे आ रहा है, तो एक रेंज में चल रहा है, बट कहीं पर भी डॉलर में बड़ा वीकनेस नहीं नजर आ रहा है। और मार्केट देखिए, इट हैज मेड अ ट्रिपल टॉप फॉर्मेशन, ठक ठक ठक। तो इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी इजी फॉर द मार्केट टू ब्रेक दिस, ओके। और अगर डॉलर भी ये रेंज के ऊपर रहा, 92 के ऊपर, 91.7 के ऊपर रहा, so there is a very high chance that the market is in for some correction, okay। बट करेक्शन कितना, मुझे समाव पर्सनली लगता नहीं है कि ये इस रेंज को तोड़ेगा, विच इज अराउंड 15,200 to 15,300 पर्सनली। आई स्टिल हैव लॉट ऑफ पोजीशंस इन द मार्केट, सो आई एम नॉट वरीड कि मार्केट बहुत जोर से क्रैश करने वाला है। मे बी अगर डॉलर नीचे चला जाता है ट्रिपल टॉप को भी ब्रेक कर देगा, सो प्रॉब्ली वी आर इन फॉर अगेन अ प्रीटी हैंडसम रन। और इस टाइम ये इसको तोड़ेगा तो 18,000 का व्यू है निफ्टी का, तो ये तोड़ेगा तो इट विल, आई मीन इट्स नॉट दैट तुरंत 18,000 हो जाएगा, इट विल गो अप, करेक्ट, गो अप, करेक्ट। आई थिंक मार्केट इज गोइंग टू स्टे हियर फॉर सम टाइम विथ डॉलर इंडेक्स, एंड मे बी अ करेक्ट अ बिट 600 500 600 points, 4 5 maybe 4% further from here, 3% from here, and then it should take a support of 15,100 until there is a massive increase in dollar. And the reason why dollar can go up, because of crude oil, probably एक risk आ रहा था, inflation का risk आ रहा था, जिसके कारण interest rate बढ़ने की बात हो रही थी, but now that is getting nullified. And other thing could be some kind of a bubble bust, which apparently doesn't look like that there is a bubble bust is going to happen soon. And US yield भी देखिए नीचे की तरफ जा रहा है, तो डॉलर ऊपर जाएगा इसका संभावना बहुत कम है, और मार्केट क्रैश कर जाएगा इसका संभावना कम है। तो आई वुड सजेस्ट दैट इफ यू आर इन्वेस्टेड इन स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टॉक्स, you stay invested in strong stocks. There is nothing to be worried about. थोड़ा correct होगा, let it be. Don't be under any kind of weak impression. VIX recovered a bit, then started correcting. Obviously, anything which falls recovers and then falls again, then recovers, then falls again. So VIX is also still under the downward trend. So volatility कम है। अब ये volatility कम है तो पॉइंट ये है कि मार्केट में अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी बहुत लिमिटेड मिलती है। एंड बिकॉज स्टॉक्स, obviously there are stocks which are going up, going down, so you can participate in those stocks, but जो मैंने देखा है अभी कम वॉलेटिलिटी में छोटा प्रॉफिट बुक करना छोटा स्टॉप लॉस के साथ, that is more desirable strategy than wait for those big moves, although there are enough stocks which are available for big moves. इनफैक्ट मैं आज एक प्रोसेस आपको बताने वाला हूं कि हाउ यू कैन यूज द कॉम्बिनेशन फीचर्स ऑफ स्टॉकेज टू फाइंड आउट स्टॉक्स, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली व्हाट डू वी वांट, वी ऑल वांट लिस्ट ऑफ स्टॉक्स जिनमें किसी तरह का मोमेंटम आ सकता है, या जो स्टॉक्स अगर आप पैसे डाल रहे हैं तो उनमें पैसे बनने की पॉसिबिलिटीज हाई है। आई शेयर विथ यू अ स्कैन आइडिया, मैंने ट्विटर पे आज डाला भी था। I'll share with you how I created that scan. So all in all, market from a 10,000 feet view, I've given you my thought process that it doesn't look like that market is in for a firework. But stock specific activities काफी रहेंगी, sector specific activities काफी रहेंगी, तो you please focus on strong stocks and continue to ride those strong stocks. जैसे CDSL है या कोई भी, जैसे CAMS है, जैसे financials. I am very positive on financials. Look at this stock, IIFL Securities. बहुत दिन के बाद में ये सारे स्टॉक्स एक मूवमेंट, वापस से नया मूवमेंट का तैयारी किए हैं. लुक एट दिस मूवमेंट. अब ये यहाँ से हल्का सा करेक्ट करता है तो 50% रिट्रेसमेंट पे इस प्राइस पे 90 के आसपास वापस से इंटर करना चाहिए, बिकॉज ये सब बड़े मूव्स दे देंगे स्टॉक्स. आईसीआईसीआई सिक्योरिटीज के बाद अब ये सब स्टॉक्स के वापस से टाइम आए, बिकॉज दीज आर रिलेटिवली अंडर प्राइस स्टॉक्स. अब वो कैसे बोल रहा हूं मैं, अगर आप web.stockage में जाओगे, कोई भी सेक्टर के अंदर में जो लीडर है जिसने परफॉर्म कर लिया है, अब उसके परफॉर्मेंस के बाद जो लगार्ड्स हैं वो परफॉर्म करेंगे, राइट. तो एक बार यहाँ पर सर्च करते हैं ब्रोकिंग. तो ब्रोकिंग में जाता हूं मैं, पी देखता हूं, तो आईसीआईसीआई सिक्योरिटी किसका पी में ट्रेड कर रहा है? मोतीलाल 11 का पी में ट्रेड कर रहा है. ऑब्वियसली वहां ग्रोथ कम है, बट इतना डिफरेंशियल हो सकता है क्या? आपके एंजल ब्रोकिंग 25 का पी में ट्रेड कर रहा है, जियोजित 16 का पी में ट्रेड कर रहा है. आईएफएल इसके अंदर में ब्रोकिंग में कैटेगराइज नहीं है, तो बट एक बार आईएफएल सिक्योरिटीज में देखते हैं, विच इज प्योर ब्रोकिंग आर्म. अगर इसका हम फंडामेंटल्स देखें तो इट इज ट्रेडिंग एट अ पी ऑफ अराउंड 14. तो मोतीलाल और आईएफएल, दीज आर टू स्टॉक्स विच आर अंडर प्राइस, और बाकी सारे वैल्यू हो गए हैं, आगे बढ़ चुके हैं काफी. तो इट्स ऑलवेज गुड टू फिगर आउट दी स्टॉक जिनमें एक सेंस ऑफ अंडर प्राइसिंग है, और पॉसिबली मार्केट विल डिस्कवर दैट अंडर प्राइसिंग. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट आईएफएल फाइनेंस, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट आईएफएल सिक्योरिटीज. ओके. और मार्केट एक बार रिएक्शन देगा, तो ये देखिए यहाँ पर एक रिएक्शन मिला है, तो आई थिंक द स्टॉक विल हैव स्टार्टेड. सो मे बी यहाँ से एक कंटिन्यूड रैली मिले, बट डोंट इन्वेस्ट योर फुल कैपिटल एट वन प्राइस पॉइंट. प्लीज डोंट मेक दैट मिस्टेक, बिकॉज मार्केट ऐसा नहीं है अभी कि आप एक ही प्राइस पे पूरा पैसा डाल दे. सो स्टार्ट स्टैगरिंग डिलीवरी, कि थोड़ा सा भी डाल दो, करेक्ट करेगा तो थोड़ा और डाल देना. सिमिलरली एग्जिट के वक्त भी स्टैगरिंग एग्जिट करिए, कि थोड़ा प्राइस पे एग्जिट कर जाइए, फिर ऊपर जाए तो थोड़ा एग्जिट कर जाइए, और थोड़ा प्राइस रखिए जिसको आप ट्रेल कर सकें. कि अगर सुपर ट्रेंड पॉजिटिव है, आरएसपी 0 के ऊपर है, पॉजिटिव है, तो आप इस पोजीशन को ट्रेल करते रहिए जब तक दोनों कंडीशन आपकी सेटिस्फाई है. ये मेरा जो आरएस मॉडल है, विच लॉट ऑफ यू हैव सीन, आई हैव डिसाइडेड दैट इसको मैं यूट्यूब में भी डाल दूंगा, so that more and more audience can see this RS model and eventually practice on their own. So tomorrow in Learn to Trade you will see me discussing RS strategy also there. So आप ये strategy को follow करिए, बहुत ही logical और बहुत ही structured strategy, it is doing good. Let me show you scans. कुछ scans मैंने बना रखे हैं, और I want to show you the process of creating the scans, and you guys should do it. I think अगर आपने स्टॉकेज सब्सक्राइब कर रखा है और आपने अभी तक कॉम्बोज वगैरह नहीं बनाए अपने लिए, तो definitely you are missing a major way of identifying stocks. I get so many emails where people write great things about the combination scans, the simplicity of the combination scans and the power of the combination scans. जैसे एक मैंने कॉम्बिनेशन बना रखा था GSR, गुड स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड रीजनेबल स्टॉक्स. इसमें मैंने स्कैन क्या क्या डाल रखा है, कि जो स्टॉक आउट परफॉर्म कर रहा है बेंचमार्क इंडेक्स को, मतलब जिसका आरएस 55.1 के ऊपर है. ओके. जो स्टॉक में रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी हाई है, मतलब रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी इज मोर देन 15%. जिस स्टॉक में कंसिस्टेंट सेल्स ग्रोथ है, जिस स्टॉक में कंसिस्टेंट कैश फ्रॉम ऑपरेशंस है, जो मॉडरेट पीई ब्रैकेट को बिलोंग करता है, मतलब 10 से 20 के बीच में, और जो लो पीई में भी बिलोंग करता है, 0 से 10 के बीच में. ऑब्वियसली परफेक्ट मैच कोई नहीं होगा, बिकॉज ऐसे कई स्टॉक होंगे जो लो पीई. there will be many stocks which will be either low P or moderate P. So you may not see the exact match, but there will be stocks which will be almost there. So if I remove this major criteria and if I just add NSE stocks, so I get the list of NSE stocks which are satisfying these criteria almost there. Okay. So these are the stocks which I was able to identify: Associate, Alcohol, Cosmo Films, Gujarat State, HIL, JK Lakshmi. ये एक तरीके का स्कैन यूज करके मैंने स्टॉक को आइडेंटिफाई किया. It's a very simple process, right? Then I added those stocks in TradingView. So right now the process of adding these stocks into TradingView is manual. Very soon, I mean, we are working on it. Very soon we will give you export option where you can export this list in a CSV format, and you can pull that CSV format into this TradingView itself. वो कर रहे हैं उस पे काम. I think I will be able to do it very soon. You see the stocks which I added here. My role is just to keep on creating combinations and add stocks here as part of the combinations. And look at these stocks. Look at the movement which these stocks have showed today itself. और ये जो scan था, this was yesterday's scan, right? This was 8th of July. And all these stocks, couple of them have performed today itself, right? Why did they perform today? Because they were strong stocks. RS was more than 0.1, which gave us enough reason that probably they will perform someday. और कोई ना कोई इसके अंदर में एक aggressive buying interest बनाएगा. So your role as a momentum trader, if you are, I mean, I'm sure that you guys are momentum trader, is to figure out the right stocks, make them as part of your watch list, and every time these stocks are ready to give you some kind of a momentum, you participate in those stocks with a stop loss, right? And RS is a very, very neat and clean model which helps you to do that. Sure, there will be stocks who will not perform as per your expectation. For example, Saxoft. ये एक स्टॉक है, ये क्या करता है कंपनी, चलिए चलते हैं इसके अंदर में. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज दिस कंपनी Saxoft. Let's go inside this company. This company is into software development, okay? And it's a 665 crore market cap company with a PE of 15. As far as software industry is concerned, 15 PE is not very expensive, okay? And look at the return on equity, 20% return on equity. Look at the results. So company has been doing स्टेबल सेल्स, मतलब ग्रोथ नहीं है कंपनी में. जैसे विप्रो है ना, एकदम फ्लैट सेल्स, वैसे ये कंपनी है, फ्लैट सेल्स. और इसका अगर प्रॉफिट देखोगे तो फ्लैट प्रॉफिट है. दैट मींस इट्स लाइक अ विप्रो, बट बिकॉज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड ओवरऑल टेक सेक्टर गेटिंग रिविजिटेड और री-रेटेड, मे बी दिस कंपनी के अंदर में भी एक इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है कि मे बी दिस कंपनी विल डू समथिंग which will re-rate the company. Obviously, we need to go deeper inside the fundamental to understand what this company is up to. You can look at Google feeds here to read more about this company, what is happening. ये देखिए 10 best artificial intelligence stocks for 2021 in India. Once you have seen this, your mind should start working that, oh, is this stock which has, probably is the stock or the company is trying to do something different. You can look at announcements. So fair bit of fundamental study of these stocks will give you an understanding कि हाँ ये stock खराब नहीं है. Fundamentally भी ये stock देखा जा सकता है. प्रमोटर भी इसमें stake, थोड़ा बहुत stake कम किया, but प्रमोटर का stake है. Mutual fund में देखते हैं, anyone? No mutual fund is holding, so largely lesser float and promoter holding most of the stock. If any study we have done, edge report will be there. What's the outlook of the stock? You can go through the investor presentation and see what the company is trying to do, what the company is trying to say. These presentations are so effective presentations कि आप इनको देख के आपको एक फील आ जाएगी कि यार ये कंपनी कर क्या रही है. So services on the fintech side, retail, e-commerce, telecommunications, healthcare, logistics. So they are they are probably developing services as well as products around these verticals. So देख के एक feel आ रहा ना कि this company looks decently okay. Management looks someone with an experience of market. XLR जमशेदपुर से पढ़े हुए. I mean the overall look and feel of the company, एक feel आ जाता है performance देख के कि yes, this company is decent. I'm not asking you to do a very deep research, but एक more or less एक research करके feel आ गया कि ये company खराब नहीं है. Okay. Now you know that this company is also coming under our scanner. So if you start buying this company at these levels, it's okay. गिरता है तो super trend is also there. You can think about buying back again at super trend with a stop loss. always keep a stop loss, because these are momentum stocks where stop loss will protect you if anything goes wrong in this stock. Anything can go wrong. The chances of things going wrong is less because reasonable value पे आप ले रहे हो, एक business है, sham company नहीं है, price भी strength दिखा रहा है, तो probability of this stock going wrong is less, but still stop loss will protect you if anything goes wrong significantly, right? So what I want all of you is to start using these amazing combination features of Stockage. You will be able to create some great combination yourself. You don't need to come back to me and ask me कि आप बता दो अपना combination कैसे work करता है. मैं तो कर ही रहा हूँ. But why can't you also think about doing it? You know, I have created a lot of combinations. I keep on trying new combinations. जैसे ये sound fundamental stocks है, good ROE, good sales growth, cash from operation. These three are my patent. इनको मैं जरूर देखता हूँ. फिर एक मैंने ऐड किया consistent EV to EBITDA, an increase in institution shareholding. So you see the stocks Berger Paint and Relaxo Footwear. अब ये दोनों कंपनी perfect match में है. तो for me, as a, you know, not a full-time trader, for me who is looking at the market on a weekends or trying to take positions in cash market, Berger Paint is a good stock because fundamentally this stock is good, and I will not become, you know, I will still be protected because ओवरऑल फंडामेंटली ये स्टॉक खराब नहीं है. तो एक स्टॉप लॉस, बड़ा स्टॉप लॉस लगा के स्टॉक में पार्टिसिपेट किया जा सकता है. रिलैक्सो फुटवेयर, let's talk about Relaxo Footwear. So अभी ये स्टॉक कैसे आप डील करोगे? स्टॉक को आज आपने देखा है, ये स्टॉक ऑब्वियसली अभी आप देख रहे हो तो ये सब स्टॉक काफी चल चुके हैं तो आपको दिख रहा है, बट सपोज मुझे स्टॉक को डील करना है तो हाउ डू आई डू इट? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इट्स अ स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टॉक. So first thing first, after I have seen the chart और मुझे strong stock दिख रहा है और मुझे लग रहा है कि ये stock ये सारे फॉर्मेशन के हिसाब से स्ट्रेंथ में है, तो मैं एक छोटा क्वांटिटी ले लूंगा. So I will buy what 10,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees, 1 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh, depending upon what chota is for you. But I will definitely invest the small money in this company. Okay. And then I will make this part of my tracker. Okay. So, you know, I have the list of stocks where I put some capital. So these are the stocks where I put small or big capital. तो ये stocks मेरे tracker का part बन गए. अब ये stocks को मैं continuously track कर रहा हूँ और जहां मुझे प्रॉफिट में एवरेजिंग करने का मौका मिल रहा है वहां मैं प्रॉफिट में एवरेजिंग करता हूं, और जहां मुझे स्टॉप लॉस करके उसको स्क्वायर अप करने का मौका मिलता है मैं स्क्वायर अप कर लेता हूं. इट इज एज सिंपल एज दैट. सो ऑलवेज whenever you see any stock idea which is coming from Stockage or from any other source, verify that stock idea through this model of yours. एंड छोटा कैपिटल डाल दो, अरे 1,000 रुपए डाल दो ना, 5,000 रुपए डाल दो ना, और उसको अपने ट्रैकर में डाल दो. डोंट थिंक कि 1 लाख रुपए में डाल सकता हूं क्या अभी. नो, अभी 5,000 रुपए डाल के मैं इसको ट्रैकर में डाल दिया. ये और नीचे जाएगा और अब तक आरएस अभी भी स्ट्रांग रहेगा तो मैं और डालूंगा 5,000, और नीचे जाएगा आरएस स्ट्रांग रहेगा तो मैं और डालूंगा 5,000. राइट. जब तक आरएस स्ट्रांग है तब तक मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मुझे कोई डर नहीं है. जिस दिन आरएस वीक हो गया उस दिन मैं पूरा बेच दूंगा. I will not think twice. I will just sell everything because the RS of the stock has gone negative. Okay. But assuming that the stock actually goes up from here and it crosses your previous swing high, that is a time where you have to be so confident that यार ये तो सही पकड़ में आ गया है, तो चलो अब इसके अंदर में बड़ा कैपिटल डालते हैं क्योंकि ये सही ट्रेंड में मेरे कंट्रोल में आ गया है. So you actually do aggressive averaging on profit. जैसे एक स्टॉक है, मैंने क्लब में आज बात किया था, ये ओरेकल फाइनेंस. ओके, क्लासिक केस कि ये स्टॉक आप देखो ये प्रीवियस स्विंग हाई को तोड़ दिया है, ये स्ट्रेंथ दिखा रहा है और अच्छा खासा इसमें वॉल्यूम हुआ है. अब ये मेरा आज मैंने इसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट कर दिया. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम व्हेन आई एम शेयरिंग एनीथिंग इन क्लब, लेट मी टेल यू गाइस दैट whatever I share in club, 90% of the time I'm myself invested in these stocks. That's why I share. I will never do anything where I'll say any stock and my money is not there. I will only tell you that ये stock में मैंने डाल रखा है इसलिए मैं आइडिया आपके साथ में शेयर कर रहा हूं, नहीं तो मैं क्यों करूंगा ये आइडिया शेयर. करेक्ट. So if you go and see today what I did, So I talked about Jindal Stainless. I said that इसको आप accumulate कर सकते हैं long term के लिए. जरूरी नहीं कि स्टॉक मैंने बोल दिया तो ये 120 का 200 अभी हो जाएगा. ये करेक्ट करेगा. 120 का हो सकता है ये 130 जाके वापस करेक्ट कर जाए 110 आ जाए. बट ये मेरा ट्रैकर का पार्ट हो गया और इसमें अपना पोजीशन बिल्ड करना मैं चालू कर रहा हूं. जब तक आरएस मेरा 0 के ऊपर है तब तक मैं बिल्ड कर रहा हूं. बड़ा पैसा ऐसे ही कमा पाएंगे, नहीं तो हम कैसे बड़ा पैसा कमाएंगे. जैसे एक स्टॉक में मैंने मेंशन किया नजारा. ये बहुत गजब नजारा दे सकता है. दिस आर लाइक दिस विल ऑलवेज बी एक्सपेंसिव स्टॉक. ध्रुव भाई बोल रहे हैं कि एक्सपेंसिव है. भैया एक्सपेंसिव तो रहेगा ही ये, क्योंकि ये सब थीम स्टॉक्स है. और इंडिया में अगर आप गेमिफिकेशन थीम में पैसा डालना चाहते हैं तो नजारा इज द थीम वे यू हैव टू बैंक ऑन. तो थोड़ा पैसा ये सब थीम्स में तो डालना पड़ेगा हमको. ओरेकल का मैंने तो माय पॉइंट इज कि द आइडियाज व्हिच आई एम शेयरिंग और एनी टीम मेंबर इज शेयरिंग, we are sharing it because there is a model which we have adopted, and my model is very clear, very transparent, that if any stock I see which is strong, which has been generated out of my scanners, I invest small capital. Then whenever I see that stock continuously giving me breakouts upar ki taraf, I keep on averaging on profit. And once my 2 hourly chart will confirm a negation of the strength by super trend negative and RS also going below 0, I will square up my trade. तो जितना पैसा बना बना, बाकी नहीं बना तो नहीं बना, स्क्वायर अप कर लूंगा मैं, उसके बाद सोचूंगा. एक और स्टॉक देखिए इमामी में. कितने दिन से इमामी में इस तरह का काम कर रहा हूं. ये ऊपर जाता है, जब जब ऊपर रहता है मैं लॉन्ग करता हूं. और when I give this as an example also that जब तक ये स्ट्रांग है तब तक मेरा लॉन्ग है. ये गिर गया तो मैंने इसको स्क्वायर अप कर दिया था. वापस से ये ऊपर की तरफ उठ रहा है तो वापस से मैं लॉन्ग कर दिया. तो इट इज पार्ट ऑफ माय ट्रैकर. Unless you invest small capital, it could be 1,000 or 5,000, you cannot keep the stock on tracker. And trading view, I mean combined with stockage, but trading view is actually very good if you want to do the real time analysis of the tracking stocks. Okay, so this is a model which I wanted to suggest to all of you, and I'll keep on sharing the ideas in Stockage Club. People have questions with respect to stocks. मैं please request कर रहा हूँ, मेरे को stock specific questions मत पूछिए. I am only trying to give you the process, adapt that process, learn it, and please use that process. In the process, if you have any query with respect to process, I will be able to answer, but definitely do not ask me stock specific questions. अच्छा, आशीष भाई का कमेंट है, आई एम ए सब इंस्पेक्टर आशीष जैन, साइबर क्राइम इंदौर. इंस्पेक्टर साहब नमस्कार. I am club member and I attend all your webinars. It's awesome and got lots of knowledge. Thank you so much. Thank you आशीष जी. Thank you so much. पहले तो आपने डरा दिया कि आप सब इंस्पेक्टर हो, but the fact that आपको पसंद आ रहा है मेरा काम, ये मेरे को बहुत रिलीफ दे रहा है. थैंक यू. और कहीं पर भी कुछ भी हो तो आप क्लब में हो तो प्लीज फील फ्री टू कनेक्ट विथ मी. ऑल माय अच्छा, चेतन भाई फ्रॉम इंदौर. इंदौर में मैंने पढ़ाई की. आई एम इंदौर से, तो मुझे बहुत प्यारा है इंदौर. थैंक यू सो मच. इंदौर वालों को प्यार देना आता है, ये मेरी गारंटी है. आपको कहीं भी अगर प्यार ना मिले इस देश में तो इंदौर चले जाइए, वहां प्यार देना लोगों को बहुत आता है. जस्ट क्वालिफायर. Kunal is also from Indore. Fantastic. So the point I'm trying to make is that please, I'm trying to explain all my club members, all my TMP members, the process of RS, the process which I follow. Please आप उसको adapt करिए. Become part of RS Warrior family. Become part of Stockage Club. You will not repent. You will not need anyone in your life ever if you do things properly the way we are asking you to do. Maybe you will like to continue to be with us forever because you will love us so much that you can't leave us. But at some point of time, you will be so independent that you may not need us ever. So I hope you guys understand what we are trying to do. And I hope you continue to support us and you continue to do what I am asking you to do and my team is asking you to do. I will not be able to take much questions. The idea was to connect with you. These Friday sessions are always special because I get opportunity to interact. Shoradeep is the real expert of market, so he gives fantastic view on market. So thank you, Shoradeep, for your time and you talking about the market. And I hope my process is something which people have learned. In case anyone, any club member wants to connect with me, please connect with me on club platform, or you can talk to me. Support team is always there to fix up a time, mutually convenient time. And TMP members, I'm always there on WhatsApp with you. So connect with me if you need any help from me. And people who are not yet part of TMP and club, think about it. This is great family which we are building. This is a long-term association which we are creating with you. Think about it. If this is something which you want to do connect with us. Stockage Club is for active investors, passive traders, and TMP is for active traders. Whatever suits you, do take it and become part of this family. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great weekend, guys. Tomorrow I'm going to release that RS video in YouTube because I want to earn as much karma as possible. So I've decided कि यार इसको free कर देते हैं, जितने लोगों का भला हो सकता है कर लेते हैं. I will not keep it behind my firewall of paid. So my session is going to be live tomorrow. I mean, I've recorded already, so it's going to be live tomorrow. Learn to trade. So anyone who wants to understand the RS, please do look at Learn to Trade and share with the whole world. And very soon I will start the options wala Learn to Trade series, where I will teach you options like a baby and take you through that whole journey of options trading as smooth as possible. Thank you, Shrodip Bhai, and thank you, Swati, for being a lovely host. And thank you all my lovely members for remaining part of the family. Thank you. Bye-bye.